figure skating coach in a Chicago suburb is facing allegations of sexually assaulting an athlete.
WGN's Courtney Spinelli is in the loop with details on the complaint.
This 47-page lawsuit was just filed in Cook County, laying out allegations of sexual assault by a local coach, while also claiming others who should have protected the victim, only identified as a young girl, failed to do so.
I think that this is something that she's yet to process, and this is going to be a lifelong journey of trauma.
Attorneys for the family of the alleged victim, identified only as Julia Doe, claiming she was sexually assaulted at the hands of her then figure skating coach. Court documents show the alleged abuse happened while training with her jumps coach in a program held at the Darien Sportsplex.
We know that sometime between 2016 to 2018, our client was raped. We also know that during that time period leading up to the actual rape, she was also a victim of inappropriate touching by the perpetrator.
Quote, the aforementioned physical and sexual actions taken by defendant redacted and perpetrated upon minor Julia Doe were extreme and outrageous, the lawsuit reads. Attorneys Allison West and Kelly Olivier with Hale and Monaco representing the family.
And it happened on more than one instance, and it happened in the public view of other individuals, while the rape happened outside of the view of others, as alleged in the complaint.
In addition to the coach in question, who we are not identifying since no charges have been filed, several others were also named in the suit. That includes the facility and the Darien Park District, U.S. Figure Skating, and the Skating Academy, and other coaches.
We feel like there should have been proper policies and procedures in place to ensure that this didn't happen.
According to U.S. Figure Skating and Safe Sport, there are policies for limiting one-on-one interaction with minor athletes, among other protocols. Attorneys feel those weren't followed or implemented, and if they were, this could have been prevented.
The reason why the parents went with this club is because of the emphasis on this being a group setting.
Attorney for the Darien Park District, Gina Madden, says the safety of patrons and staff are the utmost important. She shared, quote, the Park District has only recently been made aware of the lawsuit and will be reviewing the allegations. The Park District does not comment on pending litigation and has no further information to provide at this time.
At the end of the day, the family has done everything that they have possibly thought of to try to protect their daughter at this point.
Family reported what allegedly happened to police in DuPage County, as well as the state's attorney's office, according to their legal counsel.
They, at this point, have not moved forward with any charges.
A spokesperson for the DuPage County State's Attorney's Office tells WGN the allegations were brought to their attention in late 2021. After a thorough investigation, their office decided not to pursue criminal charges, saying they couldn't meet their burden of proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
This lawsuit is essentially the last resort.
Attorneys say the coach is no longer at this facility, but they have reason to believe he's still involved in the sport locally.
The family's really just seeking justice.
Attorneys also claim an investigation has been opened by Safe Sport. When asked about it, a spokesperson for Safe Sport says they don't comment on allegations of misconduct or abuse, so it's not clear whether any further action has been taken. We've also reached out to other parties involved in this lawsuit, and we have not yet heard back. Reporting downtown, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.